Good morning, dear students. I, Professor Basavaraj Kuruche, welcome you all for today's lecture. This is module number 2, video number 1. In previous classes, we have seen the first module in that basic concepts of company, meaning of company, definition of company, features of company, types of company, difference between private and public company, and the procedure of converting a private company into public and public company into private company. These things we have completed in our first module. Today we shall begin with the second module. That is, in the second module, formation of company is the first topic. How the company is formed, the procedure of formation of a company is the first topic from your second module. The procedure of formation of a company has been divided into 4 stages. That is, first one, promotion; second, incorporation; third, rising of capital; and fourth, commencement of business. So these 4 steps are there in the formation of a company. In today's class, we shall see 2 steps, that is promotion stage and incorporation stage. So it is the first stage, that is promotion stage. It is the first stage in the formation of a company. Here, in this stage, the idea of carrying a business is, say, conceived by a person or a group of persons. And the person who is, say, bringing this idea, or group of people who are bringing this idea, they are known as promoters. That is, the person who brings the concept or idea of a business and brings all the factors of production together is known as promoter. So in this first stage, promotion stage, the promoters will generate an idea of business. They make detailed investigation about the workability of the idea, amount of capital required, then operating expenses, etc. So all the factors of production which are essential to begin a business, they are being studied, calculated, the estimated budget, the expenses, capital required, everything will be prepared by the promoters. Before company can be formed, there must be some person who takes initiation to form the company and who takes the necessary steps for carrying the intention into operation. Such person are called as promoters. Say, the promoter is the person who brings a company into existence. So this first step is about idea generation and bringing the factors of planning, the factors of production, and the various aspects related to the promotion stage. That is, the idea, the amount of capital required, the operation expenses, the sources of capital, the idea of business, feasibility, budget, etc. is being prepared by a promoter. The person who promotes or brings all these ideas and makes the study is known as promoter. So this is what happens in the first stage. The second stage in formation of company is, say, incorporation. A company is said to be incorporated when it is registered with the registrar under the Companies Act. In every district places there will be a registrar of the companies, and this registrar, or under this registrar, the incorporation, that is the registration of a company, need to be done under the Companies Act. The certificate of incorporation, say, is the birth certificate of the company. The way we have a birth certificate in our life, similarly, a certificate of incorporation is the birth certificate of a company. At that point, legally, the company has taken birth. A separate entity is being created in the eyes of law in incorporation stage. That is, a company comes into existence from the date mentioned in the certificate. That is the date of birth of the company. So, this registration we need to do, and this stage is known as incorporation. And this registration is to be done with the company's registrar, who will be at district places of every district. So, while say registering to the registrar, what is the procedure of registration, or what are the things essential? So, we shall discuss a bit or in a quick about the registration procedure. The promoter has to first decide the purpose of the company, as whether it is a public company or a private company. The process to finalize whether it is a public company or a private company, or the company what they are forming, it is having limited liability or unlimited liability or limited by guarantee. What type of company it is, that need to be finalized by the promoters. The promoter have to decide the name of the company agreeable, and say the whole group of directors or the members should agree with that name. If the name proposed is say identical with or say closely resembles the name of an existing company, it is undesirable. For getting registration, an application has to be made to the registrar. Whatever name we are finalizing, it should be unique, or there should not be any company registered under that name. Then only we can go ahead with the registration. And while filling the registration application, the application shall be say attached with the documents. What are the documents essential? That is, number 1, memorandum of association. Number 2, article of association. Number 3, a statement of nominal capital, a notice of addresses of the registered office of the company, a list of directors and their consent to act as a director and signed by them. Then 6th, a declaration from all the requirements of the act have been complied, and such declaration shall be signed by an advocate of High Court or Supreme Court, or a chartered accountant who is engaged in the formation of company. So these 6 documents, if we attach, we can submit the say our application for incorporation. After submitting an application, if the registrar is satisfied that all the requirements of the act have been complied with the application, then he shall register the company and issue a certificate of incorporation. After issuing the certificate of incorporation, once a company is registered, incorporation cannot be cancelled subsequently. The certificate of incorporation is a say conclusive evidence for the fact that all the requirements of the act have been complied with, and company is duly registered, and company came into existence on the date of the certificate. So these are the essential things during incorporation. These two are the initial stages of the formation of the company, that is promotion stage and incorporation stage. The rest 2 stages of the formation of company, that is raising of capital and commencement of business, we shall see in tomorrow's class. If you have any doubts, questions, you all can feel free to contact me at any point of time. We shall stop here. Thank you. Good day.